Hi, this is a quick video just going back over multiplication with decimals. The trickiest part of multiplication with decimals happens at the end. Up until then, we're just doing our regular multiplication like we've learned before. So we just set up the problem like we usually would. And I'm aligning the numbers on the right. Doesn't matter if the decimal places are lined up. So if my problem was 1.23 times 4.5, it would look exactly the same. Okay, so we're lining up on the right, and then we multiply like usual. 3 times 5 is 15, carry. 2 times 5 is 10, and I have that 1 to carry. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6, 0. 3 times 4 is 12, carry. 2 times 4 is 8, 9. 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, and I add like usual. All right, so I end up with 5535 as my answer. Now here is the only extra step for multiplying with decimals. I go back to my original numbers and I count how many numbers I have to the right of the decimal point. So I've got one number to the right, two numbers to the right of the decimal. So in my answer, that means I'm going to have two numbers to the right of the decimal point, 1, 2. So my final answer would be 55.35. It would have two numbers to the right of the decimal, just like my original problem. If I had done this one, 1.23 times 4.5, I would have wound up with the same answer at the end, 5535, but I would have had three numbers to the right of the decimal point, which means I would have counted over 3, and I would get 5.535. So things to remember with multiplying decimal: 1, just multiply like usual. Doesn't matter which number is on top or the bottom as long as they're lined up to the right. 2, when you get to the end, count how many you have to the right of the decimal and then move your decimal point over in the answer. Hope this helps.